Feel the radiant glow. Embrace your own natural radiance.
Radiance by Forever Moisturizer is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their skin hydrated and glowing. I've been using it for a while now, and let me tell you, the difference is incredible. It's packed with natural ingredients that nourish your skin without feeling greasy. I love how it absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling soft and smooth all day long. It's suitable for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily or combination skin, it works wonders. Plus, it has this light, refreshing scent that makes applying it feel like a little self-care ritual. I've noticed my skin looks more radiant and healthy, and I can't get enough of it. If you're on the hunt for a moisturizer that actually delivers, Radiance by Forever is definitely worth a try.